This is R.D. Sharma Solution, Class 12, Chapter 2, Functions. Exercise is 2.1. Now the first question here, give an example of a function. So there are three parts here. So before we go ahead with the three parts, let me tell you, or let me give a hint about 1, 1 and on2. So if you know it already, let's recall it. 1, 1 means 1 and 1. 1 is related to only 1. That is, for every x, there will be only one y. For one x, there will be only one y. For one x, there will be 2y. It will not be a function, it will only be relation. But if you have like this, 2x give you 1y, that will be not 1 to 1. There can be a free one. Onto means nothing in y should remain. That is, every element in y or set B should have a pre-image in A or X. So every element, that is, to say it in other words, no value of the set B should remain. So from here, definition also comes. Whenever we do 1, 1, let us explain this definition by this example only. First thing is, function, it has to be 1, 1 and not onto. So we are claiming that the function we are going to prove it is 3x plus 2. The important thing is, the domain and ranges are very important. Domain are all the value that x can take, range are all the value y can take. So we are taking the domain and range both as the integers. These are both integers. So for 1, 1, what is the mathematical definition of this 1, 1? It is saying that if x and y, there are two elements in the domain, that is this first set in domain, and fx is equal to fy, that is the image of x and y on the another set, then x has to be equal to y if it is 1 to 1. That is, if you have this x and y and you have fx and fy, which is eventually the mapping only. So this is fx and this is fy. Function will, if you pass x, it will give you fx, pass y, it will give you fy. So if fx is equal to fy, that clearly means x has to be equal to y. Then only it is 1 to 1 relationship. You cannot have one related to others or others related to 1. So let us check this 3x plus 2. Fx is equal to 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2, fx and fy. If you put x, it is 3x plus 2. If you put y, it is 3y plus 2. Now you can subtract 2 from both the sides. 2 gets cancelled. Now you can divide both sides by 3. X is equal to y. Now fx is equal to fy, and eventually you got x also equal to y. That is, this is 1 to 1 condition. This is what this function is, 1 to 1. Coming to onto. Now let me give you the definition also, so that other questions can be easily solved. So you have fx equals 3x plus 2. The onto condition is saying, if there are two sets, this is y on the another set, this has to be in codomain, also in the range, then the value of y should have a pre-image on x. That is, y is in the codomain. Every y should have a value which is the image in the previous set. So how this y would come? Fx equals to y, we already know that for fx equals to y, this is how we write fx equals to y. That means every y has to have a pre-image. The clear thing is, if you are having x, there is no y remaining on the set B or in the set Y, not a single value is remaining. If these all have to have a pre-image, onto is no single one cannot be left say free. 1 to 1 is simply 1 by 1, means one has to relate to one boyfriend should have one girlfriend. Okay, it is not saying that a girlfriend, if it is free, she is not willing to have a boyfriend, it doesn't matter in 1 to 1, but one boyfriend, one girlfriend. But in onto, every girlfriend should have a boyfriend. So fx equals to y, let us check this. 3x plus 2 equals y. Let us try to find out x. For every y we need to have x. So if you can get x or not. So x is y minus 2 by 3. X is y minus 2 by 3. We have defined the set for z to z, integer to integer. Now let us put y as 3. What do you get? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is z. Is it an integer? No, it's not an integer. For this particular relationship, for this particular mapping or function or relation, this is invalid. So it's not an onto. The 1 by 3 is not z. There is elements remaining which don't have a pre-image. Now the second one, I'm just saying that these are the examples. You can take any example you want. This is just to let you know that how we have to do it. Okay. The second part is which is not 1 to 1 but onto. Not 1 to 1 but onto. So we have a function here. This one, and domain range is very important. Domain is the all integers and the range is the natural number and this union with 0, so you can call it as a whole number also. Okay, so the function is mod x, which is the absolute value function or the modulus function. So if x and y, you know how to do it now. For 1 to 1, if fx and y are element which have fx and fy as the image, fx and fy as the image. So if fx is equal to fy, x has to be equal to y. So if x and y, see fx equal to fy, so fx is mod x, fy is mod y. When you equate it, what are you going to get? There are 4 options: plus, plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus. So let us combine the plus minus. So x is equal to plus minus y. That is, you have, this is for single x you have multiple y, or you can say for single y you have multiple x. Both way you can say. This is not 1 to 1. This is not 1 to 1. Second one, we are going to check onto. What does onto means? Onto means that there is a y, and for every y in the second set there has to be a corresponding x. It has to be there for every y. There should not be any y remaining, right? So fx is equal to y. Every y should have some x. Y should have come from x only. So we have to find out that x, every x should be corresponding to every y and vice versa. Means y should not be remaining. X doesn't matter. Y should not remain. So now this is this mod x equal to y, fx equal to y we are using. And we will again take the case. We know mod x absolute value is saying it is positive x if x is greater than or equal to 0 and negative x if x is less than 0. This is y is x can be written as plus minus y, and since we got x for y means we have x for y. We are not saying 1 to 1, but y has plus x and minus x both. Or you can say plus y plus minus for x. So we have y related to x. There is no y remaining. Every y, whatever you take, it has the image as x. That is why this is onto. This is onto. Okay. So for every element in the codomain, there exists a pre-image in the domain. We have taken a proper, say, mapping and the say domain and ranges, and from here we got it is not 1 to 1 and this is onto, because every y has some x as the pre-image, though we have the no y value remaining. Okay, So every codomain value should have a pre-image. So this is onto. The third one is which is neither 1 1 nor onto. Neither 1 1 nor onto. So by now we have already seen how to prove it. Let us start with the function. The function is, or you can say, let me tell you the domain and range, domain and codomain first. The mapping is from Z to Z. Z is integer, the other Z is also integer, and function of x is defined as 2x squared plus 1. 2x squared plus 1. So the first one, 1 1. 1 to 1 is what? Every element of a set should be related to only and only single element of y. Fx and fy, they are equal. If you have fx and fy equal, so x has to be equal to y. Fx equal to x, fy, let us check this. So you have 2x squared plus 1. This equals to y squared plus 1. And 1 1 gets cancelled. 2 2 also can be divided. So x squared equals y squared. So you can take this x square and y square together. So we have a squared minus b square, a minus b, a plus b, x minus by x plus y equals 0, x equals y, or x equals negative y. So x equals to, combine them, plus minus y, plus minus y. Okay. So for single x, for x you have multiple value of y. But we have said if fx equal to fy, x has to be equal to y. It is not. X is giving you multiple value of y, which is not 1 1. This is not 1 1. So we cancel it out. It is not 1 1. Onto. Now onto. Onto is what? We have a y, and for every y, whichever we take, it has to have a corresponding pre-image, that is x. For every y, we should have an x. For every y, whether x is there, that is, there is no remaining element in the y in the second set. Every element of the second set is related, and it is not free. So no one is remaining here. Not a single element should be remaining. So here we are thinking more about y rather than thinking about x. Anyways, let us now check it. Fx equal to y. Fx is 2x squared plus 1. This equals y. And this goes here. 2x squared equals y minus 1. X squared is y minus 1 by 2. So x equals plus minus under root y minus 1 by 2. So this is z to z. We have defined the domain and codomain. Now let us put y as 4. When we put y as 4, it's 4 minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. And what we see here, under root 3 by 2 plus minus, is not an integer. It does not belong to the what we have decided. So this is not onto. For every x we are not getting, for every y we are not getting x. Next one is question number 2. Which of the following functions from a to b are 1 1 and onto? So what I presume is you might have learned the chapter, you might have learned done the examples, all these, and my idea and my thing is to give you all the tips and tricks. So let me show you graphically what this means. So we have 1 2 3 and 3 5 7 as one set and another set. So A set and B set. How do we relate this? This A is 1 2 3. And from here only we can very well check. A is 1 2 3. This is B is 3 5 7. So function is 1 3. So just related mapping. 2 5 I'm mapping. And 3 7. Now in order to check 1 1 and onto, every one is related to the second one. Every element in A is related to every element in B. Not a single one is having multiple connections, and not a single one of the set B is free. So it is onto. This is the second one. So we'll do it by the same way. This becomes so easy by mapping. This is 2 3 4 A set. A B C is another set. 2 3 4. Here we have A, B, C. Now just map it to A. And then we have 3B. Then we have 4C. Now here also 1 1. Every image has pre-image, every pre-image has an image here. So it is 1 1 also and onto also. 1 1 also. Onto we always check the second set. Not a single value should be remaining so that it doesn't have a pre-image. So 1 1 onto. Third one, we have A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D as the set A. My handwriting is really good, so don't comment on it, okay? Please bear with me. A, B, C, D is the first set and second set is X, Y, Z, B. A is related to X, AX, now BX, but here we see a problem. CZ and DZ. Here also we see problem. Now what is the problem? 1, 1. Every element has to be related to only single element. So first is boyfriend, second is girlfriend. A girlfriend cannot have multiple boyfriend. Boyfriend cannot have multiple girlfriend. This is the condition for 1 1. So it is not 1 1. Now on to, not a single girlfriend or not a single girl should remain. Every girl should have a corresponding boyfriend. So on to, it is not. Question number 3. Prove that the function f, which is from natural number to natural number, defined by fx equals x squared plus x plus 1, is 1 1 but not onto. You know the method now, you know the scenario. So what do we do here? This is the domain and codomain is already known. Okay. The function is also known, x squared plus x plus 1. So we have 1 1. What is 1 1? Fx equals to fy, that is x has equal to x to be fx, x has to be equal to y. If fx is equal to fy. So just write these two functions with x and y and take 1 1 cancel, x and y take together. X minus y you can take common because x square minus y square is x minus y, x plus y, x minus y you can take common. It is x plus y plus 1. Now you see here, this is natural number. A natural number always starts with 1. So if you put any number x, y, any number, it is non-negative. It will always be positive. It can never be, because 1 is already there. At least 1, at least 3 should come. So x minus y has to be 0. So x is equal to y and this is what we wanted. This is 1 to 1. Second one, onto we are checking. How do we check onto? Either you take the method which we discussed earlier, or the best way is to take the domain and codomain into consideration. See, we have x square plus x plus 1. This is there. X square plus x plus 1. Now, the domain and range are natural number. We have natural number 1, 1. The minimum is 1. So just put minimum. This is going to be 3. So the range will start from 3. You will not, the codomain is starting from 1, 1, 2, 3 like this. But the range is starting from 3. So the 1, 2 will not have any mapping back. No mapping back. Minimum 3 it will start. That means 1, 2 will never come. So it is not onto, not a single value in this set B or set Y should remain, which is what we see here. 1 and 2 doesn't have any pre-image. This is not onto. This is question number 4. Okay, question number 5 also, let me just tell you, it has around 15-16 parts. So it's kind of an exercise by itself. So let us take 4th one and possibly 5th one we are going to take in the next discussion. So let's complete this 4. It's A, the set is A is also given and the function is also given. And the function is given like this, x square. And the A is -1, 0, 1. And the function is from A to A. So domain also has -1, 0, 1. The codomain also has -1, 0, 1. The function is x square. This is simply x and x square is y. Those who are preparing for competition, you need to understand this. X and x square means x comma y. Y is x square here. Means ordered pair we are talking about. And x is x and y is y. Y is y. So y is x square here. And we only have options as what? -1, 0, 1. -1, 0, 1. Okay. So x square, f1, let us take f1, f, as I'm saying, y is equal to x square. So this is x and this is y. Y is x square here. Y is x square here. So if you put x as 1, y is 1. X is negative 1. Y is what? It's negative 1 square, 1. So x and y, this is 1. For 1 and negative 1, you are getting 1 only. 1 and negative 1, you are getting 1 only. So this is not 1 to 1. This is not 1 to 1. Every one has to be related to another one. Single one. Okay. So this is injectivity, and 1 is, this is 1 not 1 it is contradictory to 1. Okay, now let us check about the codomain and domain, because we are going to check about the onto. So what do you see here? Again, let us check for the function. We know function is fx is y square. Fx is y square. So f1, f negative 1, f0, all check the values. f1 is y square, which is x, when the x square, that is 1. This is 1, negative 1 square is 1, and then this is 0. So you have negative 1, 0, 1. So 0 you are getting from 0, and for 1 and negative 1 you are getting only 1. That means negative 1 remains. It has no pre-image. I am just saying negative 1, 0, 1, 1, negative 1, 0, 1. If we relate it with the values, what do you get? Negative 1 related to 1, 1 related to 1, 0, 0 remains. Negative 1 has no pre-image, it is remaining, and that is contrary to the condition or the description of onto. Because range is only 0, 1. Codomain is negative 1, 0, 1. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. Question number 5 is a big question by itself. 16 part, I guess. So we're going to take in the next discussion. So till then, thank you so much. Take care of yourself.